Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make DiscoFloor in Roblox. It's going to be super quick and simple. So yeah, we're going to get started right away. Um, so first thing you're going to need is your parts. You could just do something like this kind of. I'll just do this real quick. Alright, so we have our disco floors, and then what we want to do is we want to select all these. Well, instead of having a script on each of these, we'll just use the tag service. So we'll just give these all a tag, DiscoFloor, capital F, capital D. You see we have that there. And then in server script service, we want to create a script. And then we'll do local collection service, which is the service we use to get objects that are tagged with something. So we want to do collection service and game get service. And then so local disco floors equals collection service get tagged, and then we're going to write in the same tag we used earlier, disco floor, capital F, capital D. And then we're going to want to do an I pair for loop, so we'll do for I disco floor in I pairs disco floors do. And then we're going to want to yeah, we're going to want to do DiscoFloor dot material equals enum dot material dot neon. And then we're going to want to do task dot spawn, which is creating another task on a separate thread. And we're just going to write an empty function. We're going to do local color. We're going to define color before this, sorry. Local color. Or we can define it. Yeah, we want to define it in here, in the for loop. Color is equal to color 3 dot new math dot random. We'll do 0.5 so it doesn't get too dark, and then we're just going to want to copy and paste this math dot random comma, and then we'll have 3 different values for red, green, and blue, and then that's going to be what the color is. But you'll notice, so let's say we want the color to change every 0.5 seconds. And then we'll do another task.spawn. This will be for actually making it look smooth. You could change the color up here of the disco floor, but it wouldn't look smooth then, so we'll just do and we're going to want to enclose this in a while loop. While true do. So just copy paste that into there, and then while true do this as well. DiscoFloor.color equals color. DiscoFloor.color lerp. And then we want to lerp to color. Let's say 0.0, 0.1, and we'll do this weight will be 0.001. So we'll see what that looks like. And yeah, you'll see that it does it perfectly. And it's super easy because you don't need to duplicate the scripts. So yeah, just as another thing for this tutorial, we'll also do disco lights, because why not? I should have anchored these. So for a disco light, you'd basically do pretty much the same thing. You'd, instead of tagging it DiscoFloor, you'd take it DiscoLight. You'd anchor it, because obviously you'd add a spotlight, and you'd set the face to be the bottom, and then you change all the values to what you want. So I'm going to set my brightness to 10, my angle to 180, and my range to this, shadows on. And then just to make it look extra nice, just a random thing, you can set in your lighting settings. If you click on lighting right here, you can change your technology from shadow map to future to get much nicer looking lighting. So now that we have that, we're just gonna pretty much copy what we have here. Instead of disco floors, we're gonna do local disco lights equals call service get tagged disco light. Then we'll actually just copy paste this and then change disco light, disco lights. And then all we're going to do is, we don't need to change this one because we're going to use the same color for the light as the part color. So what we're going to do is disco light dot find first child. What we'll do is actually we'll do local spotlight equals disco light find first child, which is a spotlight. That way, in case you have yours named something else, it still appears. So then we'll do spotlight dot color equals spotlight dot color lerp color point. I think we use 0.1. Yeah, and you'll see here. If we play here, it works too. And then you can change what you want to do. If you want to change like how fast it changes colors, you should edit this, because this is actually changing the color. This is just making it look smooth. You can't change the time it like smooths to the color by changing the wait time. But yeah, that's the end of this video.